Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Oppo Pad 2. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case I'm gonna go for settings. Now make sure that you're on top of the page and then click on the volume down button and the power key at the same time. This should make a screenshot, and now we can see the scroll on the pop-up. Now it should begin scrolling down the entire page. You can click on done when you're satisfied with the amount of your screenshot. Click on it and here's the full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.